Next up, it's in the water for lab rat. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to collect 3 samples from Bad Pa and hand them all in. Unfortunately, my microphone wasn't recording through this, so I'm doing a quick voiceover afterwards. Essentially, you'll need to collect these sample kits that were sent to you via your messages, and if you happen to lose them, you can purchase more from a lab rat. Take 3 of these to Bad Pa, and there's 3 different locations that we need to go to. The first is over here. There's a little pile of sand you need to investigate. I had to investigate the pole because the sand didn't work for me, but essentially, once you've done that, you've collected a sample, put it in your back pocket, and it's safe. This, unlike other quest items, you won't lose when you go down. Then we'll need to head west, where we'll find a well by the warehouse up north. Just to the west, you'll find this well, run up to it, investigate, and now put it in your back pocket. It's safe. Let's do the third part of this mission. For the final part of this, you'll need to head pretty much directly south until you find a beehive. This one's got a couple of guards around it, but in here, just run up to it, investigate it, and boom, you're done with the third and final part of this quest. Head back to spawn with all of your samples and hand it in. Anyways, that's really it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.